Hi everybody, it's Christina from Card Making Magic. This is the Apple Blossom Snowflake Penguins. So there are 4 parts to this little die set, and to make sure that I don't lose them, I'm going to add them to a magnetic sheet. And then when I'm finished with the die, I can pop it into a CD sleeve and keep that safe. So we've got the large penguin, we've got the baby penguin, we have a holly branch, and we have some fish. So you'll find lots of inspiration within the magazine, as well as hints and tips on how to use your free gift, plus there are some ideas on the backing sheet itself. So for the first card, I'm going to need 3 penguins cut in turquoise, white and black, and you're going to keep all the little elements that pop out of the die because we're going to do some paper piecing. So some of the other things that I need for this first card are some snowflakes, and for this I've used the Wintry Editions die set that's part of the All Occasions collection, and that's available at CraftStash. So for my card I have a top folded note card. I've cut myself a turquoise mat, and I've also got a smaller white mat. Now it's onto this white mat that I'm going to glue all these snowflakes so that they create a backing for my penguin. So I've also got a piece of white glitter card, and that's going to sit along the bottom of my design. So with the penguin, let's take the black, because penguins are black and white, and then we'll paper piece that together with the white portion from the white penguin. And then I'm going to fill in the little snowflakes with the turquoise portion of the die cuts. That's why you need to keep all the different elements to your card. Now I like to add some double-sided tape to the back of mine, just in little pieces, and that makes it easier then to push the paper piecing bits in place without them falling out again. So once you've paper pieced it, you will have beautiful snowflakes in your penguin, and then I've added some foam to the back of it. Now if you keep the other elements, especially the snowflakes, you can add them to another project. And from the little fish die, I've cut several of my little fish in silver. So now that I have all these elements ready to add to my card, let's go ahead and make it. have 2 cards in wintry blues, but they don't have to be for Christmas. These could actually be a welcome to your new baby card. So I hope you've enjoyed the video, and if you have, please join me on the next one, and I'll see you again soon. Bye for now.